Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook and Insta Live. As promised, we are back again with a brand new subject this time, and that is, doing fabric painting on stole. So, myself, Shikha Gupta, I have Vishaka over here. So, we would be teaching you how to create this beautiful organza stole by doing fabric painting. Now you must be thinking ki why fabric painting on stole, but think it in this way. What better is it to have a summer accessory that would be like beautiful as a design and as well as useful in summer, which would be a breathable fabric for you and would also help you by covering the sun rays coming on your shoulders or be a head covering for your face. So let's see how it is done. We would be guiding you to this ride on showing you how to create this beautiful fabric that is organza and how to create petals and patterns and use the brush strokes using acrylic colors. Okay, so I would be pinning my camera on the surface. I would be showing you कि हमने कैसे ये organza के कपड़े को यहाँ पे टेबल पे माउंट करके रखा है. So what is this table exactly? I have the corners of the table with help of some piece of cloth and some pins. organza के edges को मैंने हर जगह से pin up करके रखा है. Okay, so that my fabric gets stretched and then I have a flat surface to create the artwork. Okay, so let's see what is to be done. The very first thing that you have to do is stretch your fabric, and in case if you are saying that you do not have a table or rods like this where you can stretch your fabric, there are many DIYs that you can do at your home जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा टेबल नहीं लगेगा आपका कपड़ा स्ट्रेच करने के लिए. आप लोग जैसे ये एक फ्लैट टेबल है पीछे, वहाँ पे भी आप लोग कपड़ा बिछा के पेंट कर सकते हो. द ओनली डिफिकल्टी उसमें ये होगी कि आपको कंप्लीटली वेट करना पड़ेगा उसका सूखने का. और इन केस अगर आप कपड़े को उठाते हो जब कलर गिला है तो आपको नीचे से वो कलर पोंछना पड़ेगा बिकॉज कलर वुड ब्लीड फ्रॉम दी फैब्रिक फ्रॉम द बैक साइड. So that is the only difficulty that you would face if you are working on a flat table and not a hollow table. Okay, and apart from that, if you want to stretch a fabric in such a manner जहाँ पे वो नीचे से hollow, तो what you can do is, रस्सी तो सबके घर में होती है राइट. रस्सी को आप पिन अप कर सकते हो आपके फैब्रिक को पिंस के साथ में एंड उसको ऐसे लूज छोड़ सकते हो और नीचे कुछ वेट रख सकते हो. तो यू कैन सिंपली पेंट, बट देन अगेन उसमें हाइट का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा, but that is something that is manageable, right? So these are some DIYs which you can do at your home if you do not have a structure like this. Okay, so whereas we have a structure like this, so I would be showing you कि एक बार इसका जुगाड़ हो गया तो उसके बाद में पेंटिंग कैसे करना है. ओके, so the materials which we would be needing to create this artwork is of course mandatory the fabric. The fabric can be of your choice. It can be chanderi silk, it can be cotton, it can be linen, it can be organza like this. So over here we are having organza. Why organza? So this is something very stylish, something which is new and trending in the market, and also this fabric is quite breathable, so it would be good if you are like tying it as a head wearing in summers as well. So okay, so we have organza over here. Apart from the fabric, what we would be needing is some brushes, synthetic round or flat brushes, that would depend on what kind of design are you choosing, and then some acrylic colors. Prepare a palette in such a way that would be a good and bright combination of summer. So we would be having some summer color palettes with us. Okay, and the usual material, that is rough cloth or some water to clean your brushes and so on, so material like this. Okay, so what I would be doing now is, this is my fabric. Okay, what we would be creating today is some flowers. Okay, तो फ्लावर्स बनाने के लिए ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ योर चॉइस, आप रैंडम भी बना सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आप थोड़ा सिस्टमैटिक वे में बनाते हो तो वो दूर से अच्छा दिखता है. इवन इफ आप जब आपके शोल्डर्स पे या उसको फेस पे बांधोगे, अगर आप उसको अच्छे से मेजरमेंट करके लगा रहे हो तो वो अच्छा दिखेगा. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. रैंडमली स्टार्ट करेंगे, मार्किंग करके स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, तो वो मार्किंग कैसे करते हैं वो मैं आपको पहले बताती हूँ. तो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज, आई हैव अ न्यूज़पेपर जिसको मैंने फोल्ड किया और पिन अप कर दिया. यू कैन सी ओके, इट्स अ न्यूज़पेपर विच आई हैव फोल्डेड इन हाफ एंड देन मैंने उसको पिन अप कर दिया. ओके, अब इससे मैंने क्या करना है, I'll start from any one corner of my stole. I'll keep it in such a manner and I'll do the markings. So you may use a chalk or a pencil which would be visible on your cloth. Okay. So ये आपने यहाँ पे ऐसे रखना है और मार्क करके लेना है इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे. So one is over here. Okay. Again यहाँ पे इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे मैंने रखना है और यहाँ पे मार्क करके लेना है. सेम ये इसके ऊपर और यहाँ पे. सो इट वुड बी बेसिकली 3 और 4 ओवर हियर एंड देन उसके बीच में दो अगेन स्ट्रिप ऑफ 3 और 4 एंड उसके बीच में 2 या 3. द वे यू डिवाइडेड ओवर हियर एग्जैक्ट उसका बीच में एंड देन अगेन पूरा पट्टा एंड देन उसके बीच में. That is the technique of dividing your fabric accurately with help of a piece of any base or a newspaper cutout, and just mark it with help of a chalk or pencil, whichever is visible on your fabric. Okay, next is, once the marking is done, now I am not gonna mark the entire organza stole. I would directly start painting. So the technique that I would be using to paint our fabric is, we would be using synthetic brush and then pulling out free strokes. Okay, how we would do that, I'll show you. So I have colors with me. As I said, we would be using some summer color palette. So I have yellow, black. You can pin the camera over here on the colors. And then I have brown and white. Okay. These are synthetic brushes that we would be using to create the petals. And then of course a rough cloth and some water to wash your brushes. Okay. We would start by creating the bud of the flower first. So what I would do is, to create the bud, I'll be using the stamping technique. That is, I'll just tap my brush on organza in such a manner. I'll take white, as you can see, all I have to do is just create 2 curved lines in such a manner. Okay, once these outlines are created, all you have to do is start shading it. So I'll use white only as the base of my petal. But from above, I'll be adding a bit touch of yellow to shade it in such a way. Okay, this would be the entire process of creating the flower. I'll show once again. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. I would be answering to all your questions.
So, Sika ma'am, we have our first question. What kind of paints work best for fabric painting on scarves?
I would suggest you make use of acrylic or fabric colors.
Okay. Is it necessary to wash the scarf before painting it?
It would depend on the fabric that you would be using to create the artwork. In case if you are making use of a cotton, so yes, you can wash it before painting it, so whatever amount of kanji is present on your cotton fabric, it would get washed away, and then you can start your painting. While using the brushes, just make sure कि make the complete advantage of the brush, that is hold your brush right at 90 degree, and then just make a stroke like this from the other end as well, and then just fill the color, and make sure you apply the other shade right at that moment, so that you can create a better look and shade on the flower. And then have the wet on wet wala technique. So just apply the stroke, fill the patch, and while the petal is still wet, apply the other shade as well of your choice to shade it.
So Smrita is asking, can we use any type of fabric for painting, or is there a specific type of recommendation?
You can use any fabric of your choice. As I said, you can use cotton, you can use chanderi silk, you can use organza. Fabrics can be of your choice. That is not an issue. Once your flower is completed, what you can do is you can add in some amount of black towards the bud area to give it a 3D effect towards the corner of the bud. And then also from above you can add in some touch of orange on the petal. So as you all saw, there is no prior drawing that is to be needed to create the flower. I'll show you the process again. That is, I'll create a flower right next to our previous flower. We would start by creating the bud. I think 3 is more than enough on our stool.
शिखा मैम, इंद्रानी इज आस्किंग, पेंट करने के बाद क्या करना चाहिए कि कलर लॉन्ग टाइम तक खराब ना हो?
So Indraini ma'am, what you can do is paint करने के बाद में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो उसको कलर फिक्सर में डाल दो. ओके, कलर फिक्सर में डालने के बाद में आपने क्या करना है कि कभी भी आपको वॉश करना हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो फ्रीक्वेंटली वॉश नहीं करना है स्टूल को, बिकॉज वो इतना ख़राब ही नहीं होता है. और मानो अगर आप कर भी रहे हो तो आपको बहुत माइल्ड डिटर्जेंट यूज़ करना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि यू जस्ट डिप योर फैब्रिक इन दी वाटर एंड टेक इट आउट. यू डू नॉट स्क्रब इट, so that would ensure the longevity of your artworks, any kind of fabric painting or any kind of surface that you would choose to create. As you all can see, I am just making the outlines initially, and then I'll be filling the patch. And just my personal suggestion that don't make use of any stencil, because if you make use of stencil आपके सारे petals एक जैसे दिखेंगे, which we don't want, right? This is something very natural and God gifted. So just make sure कि you don't bound it in stencil. Free flow रखना petals का size, shape, of course इतना एक दूसरे से अलग नहीं होना चाहिए कि अजीब ही दिखे साथ में, बट एट द सेम टाइम एकदम सिमेट्रिकल भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So make it freehand. You'll have more fun in creating it, and the outcome will also be quite beautiful.
Next question from Indrani ma'am is what type of color are you using on fabric color? Fabric color.
Indraini ma'am, I'm making use of acrylic colors on organza fabric. Okay, so white is done. Now I'll add the touch of yellow. एंड आई हैव टू मेक श्योर कि ये सब काम मैं जब मेरा नीचे का कलर गिल्ला हो तभी का तभी करूँ. अगर वाइट के सूखने के बाद अगर मैं येलो डालती हूँ तो फॉर श्योरली जैसे वो अभी मर्ज हो रहा है वैसे होगा नहीं. Okay, now this is done. Now I would be adding some amount of black towards the center to create some depth. And now a tint of orange on the outlines, as the outlines of my flower. You just have to move one fine stroke. That's it. It will add the charm to your painting. That's it. So as I said, कि either this line may be of three, like 1, 2 and 3, or 4. 4 बहुत congested हो जाएगा. So I'll keep it minimal to 1, 2 and 3 petals in this one row, and it would be 2 on the center, like between these two flowers, and then again a row of 3, and then again 2. That is how you have to compose the floral composition or any type of pattern that you may be putting on your fabric. That is how you have to compose it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll show you the flower that would come between these two flowers. Vishaka would be covering a flower over here. Okay, so you guys can see how it would look like. Okay, we'll start by adding on the flower right toward the center of these two flowers. Okay, so yeah, let's go. एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर कि ये दोनों के फ्लावर के बीच में बनाना है, तो ऐसा नहीं कि यहीं पे बना देना है, आपने थोड़ा सा आगे आना है एंड देन वो फ्लावर इधर कंपोज करना है. ओके, सो एक डिस्टेंस चूज करके कंपोज योर फ्लावर. Same technique you would be following, that is creating the bud first, then the outlining of the petals, and make sure size to be similar as your previous flower.
So Janvi is asking, how long does the paint take to dry on fabric scarves?
It would take 15 to 20 minutes, but for safety reasons, leave it for half an hour max, not more than that. Okay, so I'll fill in the color.
Sakshi is asking, what techniques can we use to create patterns on scarves?
There are many techniques. Now over here I'm just making use of a brush. You can also use, sponge cutouts for textures. You can make use of straws to create flowers. You can make use of leaves to create, flowers or butterflies. All these kind of techniques you may learn more in depth in our fabric painting master class, which will teach you 6 to 7 different techniques of using different surfaces while creating fabric painting on different types of fabrics. Okay, so here my base coat is completed. Now I would be adding on the yellow.
One comment from Indrani ma'am, flowers looks very beautiful. Thank you so much ma'am, means a lot.
Thank you so much, Indraini ma'am. Indraini ma'am, we also have our DIY kits, that is all the materials that would be needed to create any type of artwork. If I specifically talk about this fabric painting on stole, organza stole, so we have a DIY kit. That means ki every material that would be needed to create this artwork, that is right from the fabric to colors to brushes, all of these things would be available right there in that kit. You do not have to go to the market to purchase one single thing. So you yourself can sit at home and create this beautiful artwork. The materials would arrive right at your doorstep. Okay, now this is done. I would be adding black towards the center for depth. Here we go. Okay, so that is how you have to compose these three flowers. That is 1, 2, and 3. Two in a row and one right in the center. Now again, to create the another limb, like to escalate height wise on your fabric, one would come right over here, this position. One thing you have to make sure that fabric painting करने के टाइम पे बहुत मेसी भी काम हो सकता है, कलर्स गिर सकते हैं, नो एंड एक बार फैब्रिक पे कलर गिर जाए तो देर इज नो कमिंग बैक. सो अगर एक बार खराब हो जाता है तो खराब हो जाता है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल पेंटिंग योर फैब्रिक्स. एनी टाइप ऑफ फैब्रिक, इट मे बी एनी टाइप ऑफ सर्फेस, इट मे बी यू मे बी क्रिएटिंग, जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आपके हाथ में लैग हो. कलर ज़्यादा ब्रश में फिल नहीं करना है, ज़्यादा फिल करके अगर मैं यहाँ पे ला रही हूँ तो बीच में किधर गिर जाए. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि कलर्स लिमिटेड हो आपके ब्रश में. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो पैलेट आपके आर्टवर्क से दूर ही रखो. एंड लिसन, अनटिल आपको अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है ट्रेंड नहीं हो कलर्स को हैंडल करने के लिए, सो कीप द पैलेट अवे फ्रॉम योर वर्क सरफेस एंड diligently handle the colors on the brushes while painting the fabric. Okay, and in case खराब हो भी जाता है तो बहुत बार क्या इंस्टेंट हमारा दिमाग क्या चलता है, खराब हो गया तो चलो कपड़ा लेके उसको पोंछ देते हैं। फैब्रिक में ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, लेट इट ड्राई। जो भी एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ कलर रहेगा उसको भले उठा लो थोड़ा सा, लेकिन बाकी जो कलर का वो स्पॉट रह जाएगा उसको वैसे ही सूखने दो। ओके, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज उसके सूखने के बाद जो भी आपका बेस कलर रहेगा, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव ग्रे एज माय बेस कलर, तो आई विल बी यूजिंग द सेम और similar shade that would be nearby this gray color tone, and I would be applying it above that patch. Okay, that would not ensure a complete cleanliness in my artwork, but then yeah, rather than wiping it off with a cloth, it is better to reapply the same color of the background on the fabric. Okay, so these are some tips while fabric painting. These are some tips that you can follow while creating the artwork. So as I said, you have to escalate above. Okay, so the next thing is यहाँ पे अगर तीन बन गए, ये तीन के बीच में दो आएंगे, अब अगेन ये तीन का रिम आएगा, तो एग्जैक्ट हाइट में यहाँ पे आई हैव टू कंपोज वन। I'll start with the bud. Make the outline again with white, maintaining the same size of the petals that I had created in the previous class.
So Aditi is asking, do we have to pay extra for courier charges?
No, Aditi, you do not have to pay extra for courier charges. Okay, so that is how you apply the white base coat. Now you may see कि white भी मैं पूरा ऐसे flat application नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am leaving some space and that is completely fine because that gives you a more natural and realistic look. So that is completely fine if there are some places जहाँ पे colors have not been applied in a very ऐसे plain and flat application. So it is fine if you leave some spots in such a manner. There you go. Okay, once the base is done, you know what's the next, that is using yellow. This is of course a very long process. We won't be covering the entire part of creating this stole, but I am just repeating the technique so that it gets registered nicely with you, so that you guys can try yourself at home and create this beautiful stunning fabric painting organza stoles for yourself for the summer. Okay, once the yellow part is done, make use of orange again for the outlines. And add black towards the center in such a way.
Can we do fabric painting on Chanderi silk?
Yes, of course. You can do fabric painting on Chanderi silk as well. In our fabric painting master classes, the fabrics which you may get to handle is organza, cotton, manzarpad, Chanderi silk, denim. So yes, in all these fabrics you can do fabric painting. So as I said, 3 in one row, 2 in one, and again 3 in one. Okay, I'll create one more over here. You have to make sure कि इसका height up same हो, इसका distance same होना चाहिए, and then इसका height same होना चाहिए. So इन दोनों का center यहाँ पे, and plus इसको match होने के लिए. This can be done optically, or the method which I showed right in the start, that is making use of that paper cutout and measuring and then marking and then creating the artwork. If not, so yeah, this is the technique that you can use, that is making it optically. Once our life is completed, once the painting is completed, I'll be showing you some more examples of creating fabric paintings but on cotton stools, so you can have a look to those artworks as well.
Will I get a recorded video later?
Sorry,
Will I get a recorded video later?
for this one?
Yes.
Yes. Once the live is completed, we would be posting it so you guys can have a good look towards the entire video of this live session. As you all can see, just make it very smoothly. Okay, थोड़ा सा भी टेंशन नहीं लेना है कि मुझे ड्राइंग नहीं आता या कलरिंग नहीं आता. As you can see, there is no huge task in particular that you have to follow. You just have to create one curved line, another curved line, and then just fill in the patch. This is the simplest technique that you can follow to create a petal, a flower like this. One curved line, another curved line, and then just fill in the patch with paint. That's it. And then use the another shade. यहाँ पे I'm making use of orange. You can make use of any other color that you like. Okay, so here it goes. एकदम effortlessly आपको काम करना है. Smooth. Once this is done, and then some amount of black towards the center to complete your flower. Okay, here we go. So that is the technique that you have to follow towards the entire stole. Okay, this is a live, we have a limit, so we won't be covering the entire stole. Okay, okay, so we would leave this area to dry, and then as I said, towards the end of this painting I'll be showing you कि exactly ये artwork कैसा दिखेगा if you follow the exact same process. So here it is. This is how your stole would look Once you complete your artwork, you can see how beautiful and stunning it looks. Over here you can see that it is not necessary for you guys to cover the entire flower with exact amount of petals. You can create it in half in such a way, even that looks gives you a very amazing effect. And the way I was saying कि दो flower के बीच में you have to compose a flower, that is how you have to keep covering the entire stole. Okay, this is the same example of creating the same flower on organza stole. Now we have more such examples of creating fabric painting on cotton scarves, so I'll show you those. This is one. So over here we have changed the technique of creating the shape of the petals. जहाँ पे we were making two curve lines, over here we have made one oval shape, drop shape that we have made, and then we have filled the color and applied the shade in the same manner. Also we have applied a background technique on our cotton fabric. Okay, this is one example. All these beautiful techniques you'll get to learn in our fabric painting masterclasses, where techniques like this, like creating the background texture on a plain white cotton fabric, it would be taught to you that how it is to be applied.
Shikha ma'am, Pallavi ma'am is asking, from where can we buy it?
From where can we buy?
These fabrics,
As
fabric
I said
scarves.
that we have a DIY kits of such fabrics, of such kits. That is, if you want to create a fabric painting on tote bag, if you want to create fabric painting on dupatta or on stole. So in those DIY kits, you have all the material that is required to create this artwork, starting right from the fabric and also the stencils if it is required to create a lady figure on a dupatta or a boho art style on a tote bag. So you have your stencils as well, with brushes, with colors, and every other thing that would be required to create your beautiful artworks. Everything would be available in those DIY kits.
So,
Here, the link for purchasing this DIY kits, I would be sharing it with you once our live session is about to end. Over here, we have one more artwork.
are there workshops available in one-on-one sessions or recorded modules?
We have workshops available on online and offline mode as well. In fact, we have upcoming workshop on
23rd.
23rd of April, that is creating fabric painting on tote bags. So you
And,
can connect with us on the day and you would learn the beautiful technique of creating this art form on a tote bag.
and the fees is same for online and offline?
Yes, ma'am. Fees are same for online and offline mode in workshops.
Which other workshops are conducted in fabric painting?
As I said, we have fabric paintings on dupatta, on stole, on tote bags, on saris too as well. These are some sample products. Okay, as I said that you yourself can buy these kits and prepare your own handicraft. The link for the same. I'll mount my camera over here. You can buy these kits from here, that is diy.pencraft.in, diy.pencraft. Please note the spelling for Pencraft is penkraft and not craft. .in. Okay, if you do not want to buy these kits, you directly have to gift it to your loved ones. So these kits are also available for gifting purpose, that is on gifts.pencraft.in, that is gifts gifts.pencraft.in. If you have any query while doing the process, you can connect with us on this number, that is 91360249668. As I said, all these artworks are available for workshops as well. So for learning it in one-on-one session, you can connect with us on workshops.pencraft.in. If you have a direct inquiry, you can connect with us on the number, that is 73040 888 I am mounting my camera on the paper so that you can click a picture if you want.
Argos products are available for sale.
Yes, as I said that if you directly want to buy these products, it is also available for sale. You can buy these products from here, this link, that is gifts.pencraft.in. And if you have any query, you can connect with us on this number, that is 91360249668. If you have any queries, we can solve it on the call itself. So please take a screenshot of this paper. So that was it